Alright, YouTube, so here's the toasted engine. You'll see what I mean by those cat scratches in a minute here. So my first look at this engine, I was thinking it was pretty dang toast. There's no compression whatsoever. I mean, none at all. And the reason why it seems like there's compression right here is because the magnet rubs up against the coil, or yeah. So I was kind of looking at it. I pulled this piece off. That's where the carburetor goes. There's no seal, which I thought was kind of odd. First thing I noticed, you look inside. I thought this was very odd. You see something missing in there? Yeah. No piston rings. None whatsoever. I just barely undid the last screw. This comes off super easy. Like somebody's been in this engine, or I'm not sure if... I really don't know what's going on here. It's pretty dang clean down inside there. I wonder if... I don't know. Do you guys think this came factory like this? Because I really don't know. There's no rings in there. I don't think it would have come from factory like that. There's a possibility, but I don't know. I'm wondering if somebody, if it did come like from factory like this, then they would have probably started up with no piston rings, which is very hard. I've done it before, just as an experiment when I was younger, but it's very hard and it has no power. Or did somebody take the rings out and then put the engine back together? But why would somebody do that? Why would somebody put this back together with no rings? Kind of confusing. Kind of confuzzling. Kind of brings up quite a few questions. I was actually just looking up on eBay, just for the heck of it, how much a rebuild kit for this would be. And actually you can get a big bore kit for these models of engines. And this is probably about a 33cc or something like that. You can step it up to a 49cc engine. It looks like a 36. It says 36/2 there, and that usually means it's a 36cc. 36.2. Pretty big bore for a little scooter. But the thing is, though, another thing is this piston doesn't look like it really matches. I don't know, it probably does. I don't know, that's just really strange to me. Well, whoever pulled this apart and put it back together with no piston rings in it was a total idiot. Chamber's not scored. It actually still has cross thatching down at the bottom here from factory. Same on the other side. It's not. You can see a little bit of that Chinese cross thatch. It's more straight than anything. I don't know, YouTube. Tell me what you guys think. Kind of strange to me. No piston rings whatsoever. Just makes you think, what the heck was going on here? I guess I'll wipe the cylinder out, oil it up, put it back together, put it on the shelf of engines, 4 parts or rebuild engines, you know. But, I don't know. I should look up how much new rings for this would be. I bet you put new rings in this, the compression wouldn't be too bad at all. I guess that's what I might do. Just put some new rings in this and put it on the shelf for later. New rings for these are cheap, so yeah, I think that might be what I might do with this. Alright. That's pretty much 6 minutes of this video. So, see you later, YouTube. Bye. Alright, so I was further looking at this engine, and the flywheel was on. Oops, that's backwards. The flywheel was on, and I looked down inside there and noticed there was no bolt. I was like, what? It was just press fitted on there? So I took a screwdriver and barely put it up under here and pushed, and it went pop like that, and then it came right off. There was no bolt on the flywheel. I don't know what went on with this engine, but somebody doesn't know how to, I don't know. Maybe this is a factory model? No, it's this, I don't know. Yeah, I know it's not, they didn't come from the factory this way because it's too greasy for it not to have run for a while. You know what I mean? It's just really quite strange. So I'm gonna have to find a bolt for that now. That's exactly what I saw when I was looking at it. It just pops right off. Quite mind-boggling. Kinda strange. See? No rings. Put it all back together now. Found rings for this for $10. $10 for a brand new set of rings. So I guess I might buy those sometime down the road when I've got a little bit more money that I can just spend, and you know, I've got the money to spend and purchase it, but there's no reason to right now because I really don't need this engine, and there aren't anything coming up anytime soon that I will need this engine. So it'll just sit on the shelf as is until I need it, and I'll order those rings in and get it running, I guess. Having fun with this HD camera. Very good quality close-up. Alright, YouTube. I guess I'll see you later.